Hey, it's been barely a month since Apple introduced their latest iPhone lineup, and while majority of changes have been praised, especially surprising dynamic island feature, we are already getting first major glimpses what's coming. And oh man, we can be excited. Are you excited? Am I excited? Are you crazy? I wonder how many kidneys I will have to sell for this one. Am I excited? Hi friends and welcome to Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marko and this is your dose of Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and reviews. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. Did you buy one of iPhone 14 models? Please answer below. iPhone 14 models are on the rise as sales are climbing, with Pro variants getting more traction, and no wonder. Bigger sensor, 48 megapixel camera, A16 Bionic, regardless if it's still packed with 6 gigs of RAM, and notchless display with already well-established quality standards, have made these versions to truly stand out and carry the torch to the future of Cupertino smartphones. While Apple can decide to implement similar chip strategy with non-Pro and Pro models next year, we've been updated that all 4 iPhones will get the punch hole design and dynamic island in 2023. In general, we don't expect some major design changes if we exclude bigger camera bumps on all models as something we got used to throughout the years. Unless Apple surprises us with something as seen on Front Page Tech the same day when iPhone 13 was released. However, one model will change it all, and as it appears, not just by the branding itself, but what it brings to the table. I'm talking about the iPhone 15 Ultra, the device that will replace the existing Pro Max model. We are still uncertain will there be another display size increase or not, but we do know that it should be powered by the A17 processor, and if it all goes well, it may truly be made in 3nm process. To be in line with previous release cycles, Apple can use Pro lineup to push more memory, for the first time 8GB on the iPhone. Now we can also speculate what other sensors and improvements Cupertino giant could reveal with next year's flagships. But let's focus on what we've heard so far, with the USB-C, for example, being one of the best news for years, and we've been listening about it for a long time. Thunderbolt speeds would always been welcome, and predicted bigger storage capacities, 256 gigs as a base option, can give us hope that this will truly be a multimedia device, with photo and video specialists possibly in mind. Speaking about it, these latest leaks have brought new details about both back and front-facing cameras. If we are to trust industry sources, Apple is considering dual camera setup at the front of the device, likely within the similar size, though perhaps a bit bigger punch hole cutout. This would be something never seen before, but there is no doubt that Apple implementation will live the hype. Should be. Yet what's more than welcome are leaked patents that reveal how Apple could finally bring its own version of the periscope zoom lens. And there shouldn't be any second guessing, it will only be exclusive of the iPhone 15 Pro Ultra. With sensor shift support and 5 to 6 times optical zoom, Apple will introduce its own approach in this field. As typical throughout the years, folks from Cupertino are not reinventing the wheel nor hot water, but having them join other competing companies while showcasing their level of attention to details and experience will definitely create a positive impact on industry overall. Now something that should be easy, like release date and price, as usually, unless we get another end of the world knocking at our doors, there is no reason why not to anticipate the new iPhone lineup in September of 2023. We could also go as far as the price estimates, but it would be too early, regardless if Apple is saying big no to TSMC cost ambitions. Yet with the arrival of the alleged Ultra, things may liberate a bit more space for arguments and reasons to justify possible higher price for the rebranded model of the iPhone Pro Max, Ultra. Recent sales sales reports works in favor of this scenario, as Ming-Chi Kuo states how higher interest for the iPhone 14 Pro Max compared to standard size Pro could result more differentiation between bigger and standard size models. I don't like this. Before I conclude this video, we've also seen some patents suggesting reverse charging capability. Will this finally be implemented with the release of iPhone 15 lineup, or we will have to wait longer? It remains to be seen. Till then, we will patiently wait. And that would be all. It's been a long time since I made a video about the iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digitalna channel. My name is Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.